Hey guys, this is Jay and welcome back to Vlogcetera. So guys, this is a quick room tour of room 608. So this is the main entrance, and then as you enter, andito yung TV, and then there's a console here for your luggage and everything. Meron din siyang lagayan ng mga footwear under. And then in here, merong table for the coffee making facility. They have here some items for sale, and then may dalawang bottled water that's free of charge. And then they also have this mini fridge for your drinks or any other meals na kailangan naka-ref. And then opposite nung main entrance, there's another door. This is the comfort room. And then beside the comfort room, meron ditong full cabinet where you could hang your clothes and everything. Meron din dito mga extra na mga blankets. Maybe they're using it kapag winter season na kailangan ng mga doble-dobleng kumot ng mga guests nila. And of course, we have here the air conditioning unit. Now this is the big part. Look at that bed. I'm not sure kung anong size nito, pero looks like it's a queen size. Pero para siyang dalawang twin size na bed na pinagdikit. And right beside the bed, guys, of course, merong mga side table. And then they also have here the telephone. And meron ding lamp if you want to have a cozy vibe inside your room. And now, this is the comfort room. Ito yung comfort room ng kwartong to, guys. So before ako maligo, pakita ko muna sa inyo. So this is pretty much a complete set na bathroom. So as you can see, ito yung full mirror. And then we have here yung sink. Yan. And then they provide here yung mga basic na mga toiletries like the dental kits, shower cap, cotton buds, and may hand wash na din dito na nakalagay sa dispenser, which is very good. At least wala nang mga maliliit na bottles. Dadagdag basura. And then of course they have this bath towel, face towel, and then maybe day, which is another good thing. And in here, meron tayong rain shower, meron ding ganito, if you like to use this one, plus dispenser ng shampoo and also ng body wash. So yun na siya yung room. So I'll give you a 360 round. Yan, and then again, this is the main entrance. Good morning, guys. We're getting our breakfast dun sa taas sa 9th floor kasi nila sinaserve yung breakfast nila. So guys, that was our breakfast. Then, ang tagal namin tumambay dito. So overall, yung food naman nila is good enough. Kasi mura din naman yung rate ng room, kaya okay na din. Not very much of mga good selections, but at least you have something to eat for breakfast. So they're complete with rice, pasta, meron ding mga breads, and then may cereals, you have the coffee and tea. And meron din mga salad, like vegetable salad tsaka yung fruit salad. So yes, that is it guys about Hanoi Lakeview Hotel and Spa. And if you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click the notification bell so that you will get updated with more of my video only here in Vlogcetera. Until the next one, bye! Hey guys, we're back at the airport, Noi Bai, and papakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung ano yung pabaon sa amin nung hotel. Again, that's Hanoi Lakeview Hotel and Spa. And because we have super early na flight, hindi kami nakapag breakfast, but the hotel gave us pabaon.
Cracky.